Hey guys, it's Reyes, video creative and visual artist. In this video, you will learn how to create YouTube channel art using a single image that is compatible with desktop, tablet, and mobile phone, like these samples here. I will also give you a template at the end of this video so that it's easier to create this kind of cover for your YouTube channel. So stay tuned till the end for that free template. This video is for someone who has a YouTube channel who likes to visually communicate a channel's brand or personality, or maybe for freelancers who likes to impress their clients and can add this service to their niche. More and more freelancers are creating YouTube channel because of the pandemic, so it's a good start. I'm doing this accent to channel Frono's Photo.
Jared Polin Frono's Photo!
Short backstory for me, I was a graphic designer back in 2009. As I progressed, I do video ads and photography as my side gig. But now, I'm trying to shift my niche to VSL or videos for funnels. If you're asking why I'm doing this to help someone who's just starting on freelancing. And for selfish reasons, I'm doing this to practice speaking in front of the camera. I'm still learning too and still in the process of figuring it out, so I hope to improve as I go. And of course, I idolize John Pagulayan, who is our chief in the freelance movement tribe. That is motorcycle driving around my neighborhood, so my audio is fucked up. Let's start doing this shit now. Hindi ako mag-English, putang ina. So, ito yung template na bibigay ko. So, pag tinignan nyo, ganito yung itsura ng YouTube channel art. Gaya nung kay Peter McKinnon. So, yan yung itsura ng YouTube channel art. Kagaya rin nung kay Gary. Ayan yung YouTube channel art. Maganda meron kang YouTube channel art para mas bang crop pag meron kang YouTube channel art. Ito rin yung kay Walbeck. Diba? Ito rin yung kay Shiffer. Sa iba't ibang size ng monitor, magbabago yung itsura ng YouTube channel art. So, game na. Gawin na natin. So, una, lagyan mo muna ng background. So, pili ako ng background. So, ito na lang halimbawa. Try natin to. So, ito yung ginawa ko dati sa Mitak, Manila. So, yan. Ito pwede to. Yan, halimbawa. So, nakita nyo, na-fill yung buong. Guys, papabilisin ko lang to para makita nyo lang kung paano ko ina-upload. So, pwede mo pang i-improve to. Yung design mo, kung gusto mo. For the purposes of this tutorial, papabilisin ko na lang. So, let's say, alam mo. Ito yan dito. So, makikita nyo, pasok yan dyan. Pasok siya dito sa box na to. Tapos, lagyan natin ng background para makita. So, lagyan natin ng background sa ilalim. Say, team. So, ayan. Turn off natin yung guides. So, yan yung totoong guides niya. So, gawin mo, patayin mo lang yung layer. Patayin mo lang yung layer na yan. So, yan. Ganyan lang yung maging itsura niya. So, pwede mo nang i-save to. Save mo, export for web. So, pwede siyang PNG or JPEG. Pero, gagawin natin siyang PNG ngayon. So, ayan. Save na siya. Ang gagawin mo, upload mo na siya. Punta ka sa channel mo. So, ayan. Halimbawa, ito yung luma kong channel art. Ang gagawin mo lang. So, click mo yung icon na yan. Tapos, select photo from a computer. Ito yung sinave natin. So, click mo lang. Open. So, ayan. Ganyan yung mangyayari dyan. Ganito yung itsura niya sa desktop. Ganito yung itsura niya sa TV. And then, ganito yung itsura niya sa mobile. Wala na pala yung tablet. So, ang magkakaroon is yung TV. So, yung mga nanonood sa TV, pag pinuntahan nila yung channel mo, ganito yung makikita nila. Pag sa desktop, ganito yung naman yung makikita nila. Tapos, sa mobile, ganito yung makikita nila. So, select mo lang. Tapos, ayan na. Tanan! Ayan na. So, ganyan yun. Ganyan yung makikita sa desktop. Pwede mo rin yung ilagay yung mga social media accounts mo. Pwede mo ilagay yung niche mo para alam nila kung tungkol saan yung video mo. So, Kung gusto nyo makuha yung template na ginamit ko, PM nyo lang ako, for free bibigay ko sa inyo. Kunyari, may nag-visit ng channel mo, ganyan yung makikita nila. Desktop, TV, and mobile, yan yung guide na ginawa natin kanina. So, pasok siya. So, maganda tingnan. So, that's it guys. If you need a template that I used here, message me and I'll send it to you. Also, if you guys are searching for an awesome community of freelancers where you can learn a lot from connecting to possible clients without any experience or portfolio, maybe you wanna check out the Freelance Movement Tribe where I am a member since November. So far, it's been good and I've learned a lot from them. That's it for me guys. I hope you find some value with this one. And if you do, please do subscribe to my channel Pex Reyes or add me on Facebook. I'll leave you with one of my favorite quote from John Pagulayan. Take guys, bye.
One of the best things that you can do for yourself is remove yourself from the employee boss mindset. Come from a place of help rather than from a place of just taking a job.
That is again a motorcycle driving around, so it fucked up my audio.